Hey, are you tired yet? Are you tired of busting your butt and working your tail off for a company that honestly would replace you faster than your family could bury you if you were hit by a car today? Well, I'll tell you what, layoffs are happening, economy's struggling, but the one thing that you see a lot more people doing, going online, doing different things. Well, listen, I got to a point in my life where I realized that, you know what, my time's limited. You know, my mother was 56 when she passed, and I'm 50. You know, I could only have a few years left. Well, I'll be damned if I was going to waste that time slaving for somebody else and working my tail off when I really just wanted to spend that time with my family. And then when remote work started to happen and all that, you know, people started to see the advantages of at least spending a little more time with their family. But then companies wanted to push back against this as well, and bosses were just throwing a fit because they wanted you in that office to do a job that you knew damn good and well you could do at home. Well, I'll tell you what, I got fed up, fired my boss, and decided to move on my own boat, do my own thing, get my own life going, get my own business going. But I want to live on this boat. See, this is my baby right here. This is Sailing Yobo. That's my Yobo. You can check us out on YouTube. Sailing Yobo. But I'm a new sailor, but I want to sail the Caribbean. I want to work for my boat. So how in the heck could I do that? I wanted more time. I wanted unlimited time to be able to work as I chose fit, and make money online was the only option. So how do you do that? Well, I knew a lot about business, my doctorate in business, and information systems, technology majors, and all these things. And I knew all about computers and stuff. But then what I realized is, as I started looking into online businesses, you don't need the tech skills to do it. You just need a strategy. See, what I was missing wasn't the drive or the discipline or the courage to invest in my own business. I had all that. I was willing to put in the hard work that it takes to run a business. I just didn't have the blueprint. I didn't know how to go about doing it. What was working already? See, I went to originally start researching, how in the heck am I going to do this? I'm going to change things. I want to help people. I want to build my own business. How do I do this? So I started doing traditional research, and what I found was it's better to not reinvent the wheel. So I started exploring who's doing this, who's being very successful at it, and that's what led me to my buddy Dave. See, my buddy Dave's launched multiple multi-million-dollar online businesses. So he got my attention right away with that because he was doing what I wanted to do. But then I learned that he had a challenge, and I'm going to share a video with you here in a second. And it's my buddy Dave talking about this challenge, and it's a 15-day challenge. And I'll be quite honest with you, I'll tell you right now, it's like $7 to do it, but it's the best $7 I ever spent, because on day 5, it completely changed the trajectory of my business. And it could do the same for you. If you're looking for a business opportunity online, if you're looking for a way to go into working remotely, working online, controlling your life, then this 15-day challenge could be a great start for you. I know it was for me. So hey, check out this link and listen to my buddy Dave, and I hope to see you in the future, and maybe I can help you get your gig going too, because you know what? Life on a boat, it's sailing, baby. Sail away. Good luck.